This is Freddie with Platinum Auto World. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at this truck. This right here is a 2001 year model for F250 7.3 Powerstroke Diesel. It is a one owner. It is a four-wheel drive with the XLT package. Everything's working as it should. The body is in great shape. It does come with the spray-on bed liner. How well y'all can see that. No fifth wheel hookups or goosenecks. We bought this truck directly from the last person that had it. She was the only owner. Family. Anyhow, give us a call if you're interested in this truck. 540-898-8300. Feel free to visit our website at driveplatinum.com. These 7.3 trucks are getting harder to find. That 7.3 engine, it's one of the best engines they made. It's pre-emissions. You don't have to add any DEF. It's a good old truck. Give us a call at 540-898-8300. Thank you.